Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today we will be talking about transfer tape. Odds are you already know what transfer tape is, but today we're actually going to be doing kind of like another comparison video thing. What we've got here is our Tack TTD and our TTD EASYMASK. The reason we're making this video is a lot of people seem to be confused about the application and the use of both of these, and honestly, that's fair. They look similar and they seem like they are the exact same thing. We'll just go ahead and get into it, I guess. Essentially, the only difference in these two is that the Tack TTD is just stickier than the TTD EASYMASK. They're both clear. You do a warm peel for both of them. They both can be used for any kind of HTV, especially printed pattern HTV. I've actually got two of them cut right here, but they basically do the same thing. You use them the exact same, the same kind of application. Since we're already here and I got them cut and everything, I will apply both of them. So yeah, you come over here. First, we're gonna do our Tack TTD mask. Essentially, all you do is, if I can find me a corner, I'll show you. You peel it, you use the clear film thing that we got going here. What I like to do is I like to bend it in the middle, kind of like this deal right here. That way we can lay it on with maximum precision, and then you just kind of roll it. I'm gonna use this MCS roller to roll it some more. You don't have to, I just like to make sure it gets all sticky. Normally, you could use like a squeegee or something like that. There's that one, super sticky. Now we're gonna come over here with our TTD EASYMASK. I have it written on there. It's not gonna come like that more than likely. If you so choose to order it, peel it off, you're gonna do the same thing. Use the clear film part, roll it up like that, not roll it, bend it, and just kinda lay it on there. Roly, roly. And after that, all you need to do is peel and stick it like a sticker, like you would any other normal HTV that comes with a transfer sheet already. You may notice that things are a little different. Turns out we had some technical difficulties, and yeah, so my microphone wasn't on, or it was on, but it died in the middle of that. So we're redoing it. Cool, cool.
We've got our Tack and we've got our TTD EASYMASK. This is our Tack. Like I said before, the main difference between the two is really just how sticky they are. Tack is much stickier than the EasyWeed. You're gonna peel away from the original carrier sheet, like so. Ooh, this might actually be the TTD EASYMASK. This is for sure the EasyMask. That right there is a perfect indicator of how easy it is to confuse this stuff. The literal only difference I've found is that the Tack is just stickier.
This is the Tack. You saw how that peeled. Turns out that was our EasyMask, not the Tack. I kind of confused them, but that's how easy they are to confuse. They look so similar. The literal only difference is how sticky they are. So we got that one out the way now. So now we're gonna peel our Tack. I hope it should be the Tack based on how the other one peeled. Oh yeah, that's the Tack. Not even hard. It was so easy. Heck yeah, cool. Yeah, that's the difference. Okay, so now I'm gonna move you back over there. So yeah, that's essentially all there is to it. They're incredibly similar. It's kind of annoying actually, but you know, they're basically the same thing. That's how they work. They're used a lot for like printed pattern. You can use them for other HTVs if you so wish. Really depends on if you need them or not. But the biggest difference is how sticky they are, and it's really just up to personal preference at that point. I would prefer the Tack personally, just because it was so much easier. You don't have to worry about it nearly as much. But yeah, thanks for joining me. I hope that helped, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.